I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Stata and putting files where Stata can find them. Set the working directory now. Then load your dataset with use or import. Run the analysis commands you need. Once you have results, store estimators with estimate store or save key variables to a new dataset using preserve and keep. This ensures you have a reproducible snapshot. Save intermediate output files early so you can return to a known state without rerunning everything. You now convert results into files you can share. For raw results, export delimited or out file will write CSV or text. Use PutExcel to place scalars and matrices into specific Excel cells so they are immediately usable. For regression models, use estimate save to preserve model objects or run stab to produce publication-ready tables. Make sure to specify replace if overriding. Finally, export graphs with graph export as PNG. You finish by documenting and backing up everything. Write a do file that runs the analysis from start to finish, and begin a log using to capture console output. Close it with log close. Then save estimates, data, tables, and graphs with clear file names and dates. If something goes wrong, permission denied, file locked, or disk full, check the folder permissions, close other programs locking the file, shorten the path, and retry. Those fixes usually resolve the common save errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.